Hey, Willie.
Candy, candy,
Oh.
candy, candy, candy,
Willie.
candy.
Slow down, Willie. Willie.
Candy.
It's almost time for
candy,
trick-or-treating, but I think we need to
candy,
practice. I think you're a little too excited.
Candy.
Now, Willie,
Candy.
that's not what you say.
Candy. Candy. Candy.
No, come on. Now, listen
Candy.
up. No.
Candy. 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 Candy.
No, that's not what we're doing. We're doing trick-or-treating. Remember? What are you supposed to say?
Candy.
No, that's not it either. No.
Candy.
No.
Candy.
Okay.
Candy.
Here's your candy. Yeah, here's your candy. Yeah, and here's your candy. Yeah, and here's your candy.
Marvin, you know I have a candy bag.
You're supposed to say trick or treat.